Good morning, good morning, good morning. I apologize. I apologize in advance. I'm a little bit tired right now. Let me tell you what's going on. Yesterday, I had the brilliant idea of doing push ups in my living room. I also did a lot of yard work. So I got a little soreness going on my shoulders and my arms and my upper body, but I'm trying to live the beat C19 life, the hashtag beat C19, hashtag FDHS Broncos strong. Let me tell you another thing that I've been doing to kind of really just keep myself, you know, positive, engaged, and my mental capacities going. Me and two of my kids, the older ones, the 8-year old and the 5-year old, we've been waiting for the sun to set, and then we get some flashlights and we walk down the sidewalk and do what we call a night walk. You know, um, just to have a little bit of fun, just to be um, different, better, more engaged. Hashtag beat C19 FDHS Broncos strong during this pandemic. Guys, I want to remind you that we have just two, that's it, 2 days left. Most of you are done with all of your schoolwork at this time. Most of you are done with all of your schoolwork at this time. Some of you are missing an assignment here, missing an assignment there. You see your teachers post your grade, it ain't over. It's not done. You can still do schoolwork all the way up to the last day of the school year, which is tomorrow at 3:15. Keep working, keep grinding, keep fighting, keep trying hard until the very last minute of the very last day to get your grade as high as it can be. Today, I want to highlight for everyone a newsletter that the counseling department has been putting out, and this is sent out to all the students. It's the Frederick Douglass High School Guidance Department update, and it comes out, I believe, weekly. Um, and it has some great information. The first thing that the newsletter has is it has information on our senior events and everything that's going on with the seniors. For example, May 26th, there's a link, there's a survey in which you are expected or asked to tell us what your college plans are. That link is on this survey. May 26th is today. So that deadline for that college and scholarship survey is today. Tomorrow is the City Center iHeartRadio's Class of 2020 Music Light Show tribute. That'll be in the afternoon, in the evening time. Tomorrow is also virtual signing day. So look at, no, it's this way. No, it's this way. Boom. I had it right the first time. Yeah, there you go. Look at the this link that we sent out to you. It has some great information. Seniors, by May 27th, these are the things you should have in place: your cap and gown, your college survey, your transition survey, all these different things that we need you to do. The virtual award ceremony on the morning announcements will take place May 1st. Diploma distribution I'm sorry, June 1st. Diploma distribution will take place June 2nd. And we keep scrolling down. It talks about diploma distribution and the time slots, depending on what your academy is, depending on what your last name is. There's also a senior to do list as we keep scrolling down. And that senior to do list is a document that you can download and keep and kind of just keep checking off things as you continue to go. We have scholarship information. This newsletter is not just for seniors. This newsletter has information for sophomores, juniors, and even freshmen. The college project has a free July ACT test review. Upcoming um, seniors have opportunities. 2020 window on Williams. It's a wow project. There's jobs over the summer, EKU dual credit classes. If you're taking a dual credit class next year with us, there is an application. You have to technically be dually enrolled. That's why it's dual credit. You have to be dual enrolled at Eastern and at Douglas. So the application um, is here with directions and ways in which we can help. Now that's a nice thing because once you get accepted, Once you get enrolled at Eastern, you're good. You're already there. You can graduate and just transition right in there. We have some healthy tips on how to deal with the beats with the global pandemic, like night walks or push-ups or reading a book and becoming engaged actively and cognitively in your mind. That is all the announcements I have for you today. I'll see you back here tomorrow for the last day of this school year. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.